Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, I got a bit of a kind of a tiff about a new Harbor Freight thing I picked up. It's these shop towels, 13 by 14 mechanic shop towels is what they're called. And on the picture, it shows the old, what they used to be, like these. I'm not sure if this is one of the ones I've gotten from Harbor Freight or if it's just one I've had around. But they're cloth all the way through and through, and they soak up stuff. Now I haven't had a chance to use these a ton, but what I do notice, and I don't know if you'll be able to notice, you can see right through that. You put one of these rags over it, and yes, this is somewhat dirty here, but you're not seeing through it to see the box in behind there. So I don't know if they're just not meshing these together very well, but I mean it's plain see-through. I mean, you can stretch it a little bit and you can see right through it. So I don't think they work as well. I have used it to check my oil and that kind of stuff, and yeah, it kind of works, but everything that's, gets on your hands if it's behind there, and I don't think it soaks it up as well. So not real happy with these. I'll, keep the ones I bought, but I definitely won't be buying any more. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, master of none. You all have a good one.